Alright, welcome to the church, man. No talking. Just show y'all what I see. Well,
You know how the roof fell on the red car? The house? That must not go why?
It's about the church.
yeah.
Look at that. Feel they on the church. Look at the picture.
This is gone. Like, it ain't no sanctuary. It's just open.
Let's do the motor home. Come on. Put you back in the truck.
It's hard.
It's cool.
Wait,
Damn, I should have brought that Lexus down here.
I'm like, sir, why is your Lexus parked down? Sir, you stay up the street. Why is your
I
Lexus?
got out to start running. Quit running.
Nah, just like, nah, it just took it.
That's all I'm just
It just took it.
I stopped in front of the house.
I thought it was present.
It just took
You
it.
got time to what Carl told me I could work on my house.
Just throw a piece of wood through it or something.
Who told you? Oh.
Mariana, baby. So I know you gonna want certain things down in your house.
Alright, we walking up to the church now.
I work my house right there.
This big part right here, this big part, that's a sanctuary, man. Like, I mean, church view. All this over here, gym, classrooms, yeah, light center. Well, basically daycare, no, all that.
All the equipment you get up in there.
Computers.
Well,
yeah.
they had good structure, that's one thing.
Yeah, I
But
mean.
they still standing.
Oh, yeah.
Man, this shit don't sound like.
How y'all doing?
I think I got my camera upside down. Hey.
Like the speaker still hanging up there. Is that so?